Okay, so the next problem, it is a cube of 30 edges with a square face on HP such that one of the vertical square faces is inclined at 30 degree to VP. So we have to place the cube with respect to the vertical edge inclined at 30 degree to VP. That's what our first position, and it is resting in the HP plane. A section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined at 60 degree to HP passes through a point on the axis 5 below the top end. So from the top end we should consider 5 below of it. So from there we should draw an angle line for 60 degree and then draw the sectional top view and true shape of the section. So first we are going to construct the top and front view of it. Okay, so we take a reference point here, then we mark for an angle of 30 degree. Okay, in 30 degree, okay. So now we take a reference point here. I'll take here. The distance here we should consider, that is 30 okay, 30 and here we should mark for an angle of 90 degree here also 90 degree. Now we should draw a line of length 30 because here cube the dimension they have given, that is 30. Okay, okay. So we can show the dimension on one side. So here I'm going to give the namings: top face A, B, C, D, and for the bottom face A1, B1, C1 and D1. So all these things are written within bracket because bottom face not visible from the top view. So draw the thin line to connect to find out the midpoint of the axis. Okay, that is O and O1. Now project the lines upward to draw the front view. Okay, so as we know that the axis length also same, it is 30 only. So remember, in the case of cube they will not give the axis length, so it is the same length as that of the base edge. Okay, so remember that. So in the question they will not going to mention the axis length in the case of the prism, sorry, cube. Okay, so axis height also 30. So you can mention here A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash not visible. Similarly A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash and D1 dash, O1 dash and O dash in bracket. Okay, so now we have to cut with respect to the angle line. Here it is 60 degree to HP and we have to draw a angle line, and it is 5 below from the top end. Okay, 5 means here this is what the top end on the axis. So this is our point. Okay, this is our point. So now keep the protector at this reference end. Okay, so mark for angle 60 degree, you can see here, then draw an section plane. Okay, okay, so section plane we have drawn, and it is we have considered for an angle of 60 degree. So we have done the drawn an section plane. Now we have to mention the namings here. Okay, it is cutting here. Point number 1. Okay, just draw a line, and this is our point number 1. The same way it is cutting here at the point B, so we can consider here 2. And here for point number 3 it is cutting here, so we have to draw a projection line to show it. Okay, this is your point number 3, and again point number 4 it is cutting here again. This is our point number 4, and finally at the end here again the point number 5 we get it. Okay, so now we have to join this to make it thick to draw the sectional top view. Okay, this is what the sectional top view we have done. Okay, now so perpendicular to this we should draw a line here, that is x1 and y1, and we have to measure these distances. Okay, so for that we have to use the compass, say from this end to 1. So before that we should mark for 90-degree points. Okay, so remember it. So this is what the first point, so mark for 90-degree. In the same way for point number 2 also we have to fix it like this, mark for 90-degree. Then for the point number 3, so it is cutting here, fix it, and that is also point number 3. Now draw the projection here, draw the vertical lines. Okay, now use the compass and measure the distances. Okay, you can see here clearly from here, this is what the point number 1 it is cutting. Now point number 5 also you can measure it from here to here, cut it. Now for the point number 2 from this end, you can see here from this end to here, so keeping at this point, cut it. Now point number 3 from here to here. Okay, then point number 4 on the same line, so I'm going to measure it from here to here. You can see here, this is what the distance, and cut it. Okay, now we can mention this is 1, this is 5, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Okay, now we can join all these points to draw the true shape of the section. Okay, okay, so now show it the dashed line. Okay, this is what our true shape of the section, and this is sectional top view. Okay, so this completes the problem. If you have any kind of doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. So if you like the video, you can super thanks this video by donating, so that the channel can be grown in a linear manner. So thank you all, thank you for watching the video.